Hello, dear friends from around the world. Welcome to Life Discovery. I'm Anna Maria, and today we are going to continue our exploration about the function and the parts of the leaves. So let's hop into something very green and let's get started. Hi again. We know what about the leaves? We have been exploring the shapes and we know that they can appear in very different shapes. But what about their needs? They are so moderate. The leaf needs only dioxide from the air, water that comes from the root, and sunlight. Leaves really need sunlight. They are like sun worshippers. And they have very small, tiny cells, the cells of the leaf, that actually they extend and stretch themselves in order to catch up with the sunlight. Let's look at these building blocks. These are the cells of the leaf. We need a very powerful microscopes to be able to see these cells here. But here we can zoom in and look at the cells of the leaf. And the whole blade of the leaf is made by these cells. If we look at the blade, we can see that it's very thin and white. We call it also lamina because it's like a sheet, a thin sheet. But this blade cannot be strong, and that's why it needs some support. And here we can see small veins. Let's put a ticket for the blade and a ticket for the main vein. See this one? This is the main vein of the leaf. Also, there are some other veins. We call them side veins. But between the side veins, we can see very tiny other veins. We call them veinlets. Let's help the leaf to keep the tickets. Also, if we look at the edge of the leaf, we will identify the shape. We call the edge margin of the leaf. There are very different margins, but this is an exploration for another time. And the point that is here we call apex. This point is very far away from the stem. We call it apex. And this point that is closest to the stem, we call it a base. The base and the apex, they have different shapes, but this is part of their function. And here we can see a kind of stem. It's like a little foot. We call it petiole. This here we call petiole. And here, and it's interesting that here you can see a small bud. Sometimes some of the leaves, they have different small leaflets here, and we believe that these leaflets are taking care for the baby leaves until they get stronger. You can explore the leaves. Do they have all the parts, and which of the leaves don't have all the parts? You can go to the park, you can go to the forest, you can make your own booklet about the parts of the leaves, you can make even the tickets with the names. and you can look at them with the magnifying glass and identify even more details. Keep exploring and let's celebrate how the leaves are different, but at the same time the same. Keep up exploring, and you are welcome to come back and here in Life Discovery and discover more about the plants and the life on Earth. Let's celebrate, let's respect. Thank you.